Pinaghahandaan na ng ating tackle football team na Pilipinas Agilas ang pagsabak sa International Federation of American Football Asia Continental Championship sa Kuwait sa Abril. Kakailanganin nilang makalusot doon para makasama sa World Championship sa Sweden sa 2015. Ang balita, hatid ni Dante Perelio.
Formal lang ipinakilala ang national tackle football team ng bansa na Pilipinas Agilas kagabi sa Marikina Sports Complex. Kasabay ito ng 4th Arena Ball Philippines Championship na una at tanging tackle football league sa bansa. May 45 players at 12 coaching staff ang Pilipinas Agilas na karamihan nakapaglaro na ng American Tackle Football sa local league sa Amerika at Pilipinas. Halos lahat naman ng mga manlalaro ng Agilas Pilipinas may mga pinagdaanan sa buhay at may nais patunayan.
As a child, I was bullied a lot, so that's what I'm fighting for all the kids who were bullied.
So I want to break the convention that football is for the big man's game. And as you can see, I'm not really big, but I can fight them off, so I'm here for the small guys.
Binuo ang Pilipinas Agilas ng American Tackle Football Association of the Philippines na miyembro ng Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee at International Federation of American Football. Tutungo ang Pilipinas Agilas sa Kuwait sa darating na Abril para lumahok sa kauna-unahang IFAF Asia Continental Championship na qualifier para makapasok sa 2015 IFAF World Championship sa Sweden. 6 na bansa ang kanilang makakatunggali, kabilang na ang Japan na itinuturing na pinakamalakas na team dahil sa 80 taon nitong karanasan sa paglalaro ng American Tackle Football.
There's no doubt this is David and Goliath, but we're there to show that, if you're going to pick a fight with any nation in the world, you don't want to fight a Filipino, and that's what we want to prove, that, that we are resilient in every form of that word. I mean, as Filipinos, we fight every day.
Naniniwala rin ang Pilipinas Agilas sa taglay na puso at determinasyon ng atletang Pinoy, kaya hindi sila basta maigugupo ng kalaban. Dante Perelio, GMA News.